Welcome to Scape Room Tours. My name is Stephanie and today I will show you our beautiful rooms at Scape Toowong. Welcome to our twin studio at Scape Toowong. This is a great option for you to share with your best friend. You will have your own space. Here we have a king-size single bed, a desk just for yourself with some shelves and also some drawers next to your desk. Underneath your bed you have plenty of storage and your own wardrobe. In the kitchen area, we have an induction cooktop, which is simple and easy to use. Storage above and below, and there are also two fridges, one for you and one for your friend. Here we have a microwave and grill, and there is a sink. We have also a space, a dining table, where you can share a great meal with your friend. This bathroom has everything you need. It's designed to be super easy to clean, with an adjustable shower and a cabinet with plenty of storage, a toilet and a sink, and a full-length mirror.